Alright, back again. IBSL Maths, May 2015, Paper 1, Time Zone 2, Question 5. F of x is e to the negative 2x. Write down f dash of x, f double dash of x, and the third derivative of f of x. So here we go. This shouldn't be too bad. F dash of x. It's right down, so they're not wanting anything fancy. Remember your chain rule. So e to the power of anything comes from the same thing, e to the power of the same thing, but then you had to multiply by the derivative of the power. In this case, that's negative 2, so I just get negative 2 e to the negative 2x. Go again for the next one. What's going to happen is we're just going to multiply by negative 2 again. So I'm just going to work across the page here. Second derivative of f of x is going to be negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is going to be 4 e to the negative 2x. And finally, the third derivative of f of x is just simply going to be multiply the derivative of the second derivative, so multiply by the negative 2 again, and I get negative 8 e to the negative 2x. You please take a bit more time with this setting out the restrictions on what I'm doing. Just makes it easier for me to do it that way. Find an expression for the nth derivative of f of x. So this one shouldn't be too bad. Don't quite know how I move that down there. Let's try that again. So we did part A, part B. What do we notice? Well, this is just a power of negative 2. The first power, the first term, f of x is, well, actually we want this in terms of the derivative, so f1 of x is going to be the first derivative, so it's just going to be negative 2 to the power of 1. So to me, it looks like fn of x is simply negative 2 to the power of n. Does that make sense? So when it was the first derivative, it was negative 2 to the power of 1. Second derivative, negative 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Third derivative, negative 2 to the power of 3. Negative 8. The next one would be 16, which would be positive. Fourth power of negative 2 is positive. Yep, that's right. So it's negative 2 to the n, e to the negative 2x. Not too much to that one. Little bit of an unusual question, make you scratch your head a little bit, but you should be pretty confident tackling those. There's nothing complicated about it. Just go with it, identify the pattern, and write it out. If you're really not confident with your symbols, you should be. I think you'll all be fine, but still write out in words what's happening and then put it into symbols if that helps make it easier for you. See you in question 6, guys.